Apologies if this video does more preaching and teaching, but there's two simple things that you have to understand if you're going to do affiliate marketing, even if you're doing it on the Warrior Plus marketplace. First, you build an audience, then you recommend good products that you trust and you believe in. Now, how or where you build the audience, that's up to you. You just have to find that audience that has a problem, and then you recommend products that solves that problem. Now, this can easily be done over on Warrior Plus, and you can see here inside my Warrior Plus dashboard that I do this. I recommend products. But you also know by watching the reviews here on this channel, and I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner with a playlist to all my reviews, that I don't simply just recommend every product on Warrior Plus, because that's no way to build a long-term business. And affiliate marketing, while you can start it as a side hustle, if you want to grow this into a long-term business where people trust your recommendations, going back to what I said at the beginning, your recommendations on products that people can trust, that when they buy them based upon your recommendation are going to work, is your reputation. And your reputation is everything in affiliate marketing, to include doing affiliate marketing and promoting products here on Warrior Plus. Now, with that said, I got a little homework for you. Hop over to Warrior Plus, go to the top products, and do this. Look at Instant Maze Generator, which is currently #1, and then look at ZenProfit-Z and compare them. Then come back here to the channel, and in the comments, tell me the difference between the two products. The difference in the audience, the difference in the product, meaning how the product works, what it does, the difference in the vendor, based upon the information you find out from your research. Now, you're going to ask me, how do you do the research? Well, you can reach out to the vendor and you can ask for JV access or review access. But if you don't have an audience or you don't have a history on Warrior Plus of making sales, that's going to be a little difficult. So here is where the preaching versus teaching part comes in. I got to tell you, you just got to buy the product. I'm not saying buy the entire funnel. I'm saying buy the front end of the product. Because in reality, if you buy the front end of the product, compare it to the sales page, and it does what the sales page says it's supposed to do, you typically have a good product. And not to mention, these products are typically cheap on the front end when we're talking about products on Warrior Plus. And this is how you build an audience that trusts you. I'll go back to that review. Up here in the cards, there's a playlist of all my reviews. Watch my reviews. Now, I actually reviewed these two products, Instant Maze Generator and ZenProfit-Z. One of them I reviewed here on 30-Minute Marketing. So if you were to go down to 30-Minute Marketing and you were to do a search and you were to look at my content, this is going to be the playlist that's up there in the cards. You're going to be able to see ZenProfits right here. You can see my recommendation for that. The other software, not reviewed on this channel, but I did review it on my other channel. The point is, you can make money from just telling the truth. As you can see here, you don't have to be a shill for products on the top 10 that do not work. Come back to it. Simply tell the truth. Review the product. Does the product work? Can you trust the vendor? These are simple things to do, and it is just the act of telling the truth. Now, what is the second thing you have to do when you build that audience and you make these recommendations? You have to be able to continue to communicate with that audience. How do you do that? The best way to do that, of course, when you create content and post it on YouTube or Facebook for free, you can also build a free email list. Yes, you can start building an email list for free today by simply telling the truth about these products, these top 10 products on Warrior Plus, by simply buying them, reviewing them, telling your audience the truth, going out and letting them know what this product does. Does this product work? Is it a sound strategy? Get them on an email list and then follow up with more information. Again, more information that just gives them the truth, and more specifically, gives them the truth and solves their problem, which typically when you're talking about Warrior Plus, their problem is they want to make money online, just like you want to do. But the simple fact is, don't promote products. Be truthful about products. And in the long term, you're going to win and you're going to build a successful affiliate business. Because at the end of the day, if you just get into the rut of recommending products and get a few people to buy, eventually they're going to buy products that don't work and they're no longer going to believe your recommendation. You're going to burn out and you're going to lose everything that you've tried to build. But let's go back to this building a free email list. It's super simple. Go over to aweber.com. There's a link in the description. Get started with Aweber today. Simply fill out the form below and get started for free. Fill out this form. You're going to get a free account. You're going to log into that account. You're going to have your dashboard. It even comes with the ability to build landing pages. A landing page being what you see here, a page where you can get people's name and email address, and then that goes into your email list here on Aweber, and then you simply just follow up with them by sending them emails. As you create content, you can just simply email out that content and say, hey, guess what? Telling the truth again today about what's going on Warrior Plus. It really is that simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Like I said, you can do it here like I do it on my YouTube channel. You can do it over on Facebook. There's links in the description to show you exactly how to do both of those strategies very, very simply and step by step. So be sure to check out those recommendations. And like I said, those are my recommendations based on the fact that I use those products. Those products work for me. And with that, go back to Warrior Plus and don't forget your homework assignment. Find out everything you can about Instant Mage Generator. Find out everything you can about Zen Prophet Z. Come back to this video and in the comments, tell me the difference between those two products, the difference between the audience that those two products appeal to, and then tell me your honest opinion about each one of those products and whether or not you would feel comfortable recommending those products to an audience that you've built, that you know likes you and trusts you and believes in you. And when you get that down, you have figured it out and you are winning in the game of affiliate marketing. And at that point, all you got to do is rinse and repeat. And to do that, check out the video you see on the screen right now. Click that video, watch it. I'll see you there and I'll talk to you later. Bye.